box itself.
Yeah. How to reduce the flame? Oh, I am putting this one. Okay. A little bit more. No, less. Little bit more. Okay. Less. No more. No. See, it will catch fire here, sir. At the top. Once the gas comes, you can see the fumes are coming. You see the light here?
Yeah.
Smoke. Now they started coming. Once it comes, it will catch the flame. You can see the fire in the center. See, already it is catching. Can you see?
Yeah.
Fire is coming to the top. There is some leakage from the sides also. That's why flame is going over. That is nothing but our gas. Gas. See, it is catching fire on the side. So once all the gas is gone, then we can clearly see that without that hole, or if lid is too tight, it will blast. That precaution we have to take care. Even in this basic thing.
Oh, this one, got fired.
Oh, how it got fired? Close it.
Open it. Oh, okay. This is
nice flame will come from the middle. Because no oxygen going inside. Only emissions are coming out. Zero oxygen.
okay.
Because it is pushing.
Yeah.
It will open automatically.
Nothing open.
If it open, then it will blast. But I kept that hole, no? So it's okay. And also the lid is not so tight. Slowly, don't topple. Wow, congratulations.
Really?
It is okay, but some part, let me check. Bring a stick. Paper. White paper.
White paper, I think not.
Mostly done. Some inside is left. Let me check the top lid. Let me check. No, first let me put so that to see what happened to the sides and so it turned into ash, bottom one. Just a second, sir. Stick. This bottom one is done. Then Biochar is done. You can feel. You are done, sir. You can feel the lightness.
Shall I take it?
Take it. Smell it also.
You are saying, no, I think in one of the videos you were saying you smell it, you eat it. For everything it is good.
Yeah. Check it in whatever way you want to.
I
Feel
have
the crunchiness.
Crunchiness is there.
It is done. Is there anything which is left you think that is not done?
I don't I really don't know.
No, everything is dark or not?
Dark.
Yeah.
I don't know, I have sticks, I don't have sticks.
Just check. Good. This particular material we will not use in pyrolysis, sir. This is very fine. So if it is too fine, that temperature from bottom to top, it won't go well. But it is good overall. Overall good. Quality is good. So you can preserve this and let us test for analysis.
Okay.
Send this sample for analysis. You touch and clap. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, everything should go.
Oh, I had to hold it like this?
No. Hold, then leave, then clap. Show your hands. Good quality. It is not touching, no?
Yeah.
Good quality. Before carbonization, what we call, sir, this particular grade?
Husk. Robusta.
No, husk means this is another kind, no? Not that kind of husk.
No, same thing. I think we have doing some
Very
sample.
fine.
Yeah, this is a fine one. From the sample I bought. We do some sample analysis
Okay.
from the paper.
It is more crushed actually.
Yes.
Otherwise it won't be like that.
Yeah.
So this is the original thing and this is after carbonization. Okay, it is your responsibility till you see the biochar. You have to be here only and give party to everybody. Yeah. Put some coconut fronds, bigger one. Yesterday we kept no coconut one. Remember the time. This unit is completely sealed. And see, made gas proof. Yeah, you got it now. Now you got it, no? This is what I want to show. No, that will come in the below pipe with more pressure. Now this will produce our high quality biochar. Now can you listen that sound coming?